Good morning to everyone. My name is Suresh K, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic, Jogipet. Let's we discuss today about the centralized grinding machines and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of centralized grinding machine. Let's honor before. So, what is the recap in previous session? What we have discussed about that. So classification of grinding wheels, grinding machines, right? What are the classifications? Generally, classification of grinding machines are external type of cylindrical grindings, internal type of cylindrical grindings, and surface grinders. Next one is the tool and cutter type of grinders. Next one is the form type of grinders. These are the classification. In that case, first one is the cylindrical type of grinding. Again, cylindrical grinding machine again dividing into two types. One is the internal cylindrical grinding. Second one is the external side. Again, internal cylindrical grinding divided into again one more two types of grinding machines are there. First one is the internal type of center type of grinding machine. Second one is the centerless, and at the same time external grinding machines are classified into two types. One is the center type grinding machine, and second one is the centerless type of grinding machine. Then next one, third one is the surface grinding machine. Surface grinding machine again dividing classifying into the two types. One is the horizontal spindle type of grinding machine. Second one is the vertical type of spindle type of grinding machine. Next one is the tool and cutter type of grinding machines. These are the classifications. Know the working principle. What is the construction details of each and every grinding machine. So grinding machines have the same functioning will be the same for, but the application is different. While utilizing of what is the main purpose of grinding machines? So grinding machines mainly for utilizing for the to manufacturing of to producing of fine surfaces we can use. At the same time, then next one utilizing for to remove the small amount of material from the workpieces, and as well as for producing smooth surfaces to get the closure sizes. At the same time, what are the main components in grinding machine? Base is the common, headstock, tailstock, and next to wheel head, and next one grinding wheel. So these are the common. So base is always made with help of cast iron material. It is a high rigidity to withstanding of heavy amount of loads and acting as a coolant reservoir. Right, next one, headstock is the driving mechanism will be provided in headstock only. At the same time, next one tailstock is supporting for that. Wheel head is provided for that to revolving of grinding wheel. And next one, some to producing based on the which type of work we are using. So that is the main thing. Right now we are discuss about the today class centerless type of one more method of grinding machine. Next one is the grinding wheels also we are used. So which type of cup shapes are cylindrical type, cup and saucer, segmental type. These are the classifications we are discussed about. Right now we discuss about next one is the centerless type of grinding machine, and next one is the advantages, and next one disadvantages of these type of grinding machines. So first one is the centerless grinding. Centerless, it's a name indicating it does not have any center it does not having the centers to holding the workpieces. Finally, it is using for the purpose of whenever we use long slender blocks, whenever we are using long length of components, whenever we are using for producing smooth surfaces. So to holding of workpiece important, and next one is the long slender blocks also, long slender bars for external cylindrical grinding. So it's a consisting of centerless grinding consisting of one is the regulating wheel is provided, and second one is the grinding wheel is provided. In between regulating and grinding wheel, work rest will be provided in between the two wheels. So they will be rotated, grinding wheel and next one regulating, both are rotated in same direction, while whenever keeping the middle in these two types of wheels, whenever place the workpiece in between the two types of wheels, it will be rotated in opposite direction. The workpiece and grinding will be rotated its own different angles, different rotation. At the same time, grinding wheel and workpiece also rotated its different way of direction of movement. While in cutting process, while in grinding process, it will be rotated in opposite directions in this case. So what are the advantages means, so very high amount of smooth surfaces we can produce, long length of bars we can produce. At the same time, what are the disadvantages for this cylindrical grinding? The disadvantage is that we cannot produce the cylindrical component, the internal surface finishing we can't get with help of internal surface finishing. So that is the main thing. The work is first one you can observe here, workpiece is not held in between the two centers. In centerless grinding, the workpiece will not kept in between the two centers. One is the headstock center, second one is the tailstock center. The workpiece is supported between the grinding wheel and regulating. In between, workpiece is the supporting. Workpiece is the supporting for the placing of supporting between the grinding wheel and regulating wheel. You can observe here, figure is there. So in between, first one is the grinding wheel is there, and second one is the regulating wheel is there, and next middle one is the work rest is there. So in between, one more type of round circle object, workpiece will be kept in between the workpiece, grinding wheel and regulating wheel. Right, you can check here. So both are grinding wheel and regulating wheel, both are revolving at same amount of direction, same amount of speed. Whenever keeping the workpiece in between the two wheels, so it will be rotated in opposite direction. So in between, work rest will be provided for the to support the workpiece only while in working process. That is the main thing. You can observe here, work rest is also one of the most important part in centerless grinding. The workpiece, whenever we need to produce the external surface finishing, that is the main thing. So whenever we need to use external surface finishing, so that is the time we need to go with help of centerless grinding. At the same time, long length of bars. So you can observe here, while rotation of grinding wheel and next one while rotation of regulating wheel, both are rotated its own axis with some amount of speed, and at the same time the workpiece is held in between the center. Right, the work is supported between the grinding wheel and regulating wheel. Right, grinding wheel and regulating wheel. Right, it will be rotated continuously, maximum amount of some amount of speed. Material will be removed in the form of small amount of chips. To direction of workpiece, we have the only the transverse direction. So to revolve long length of to grind the long length of bar. Right now, this machine consisting of these three basic elements. First one is the grinding wheel, second one is the control wheel or regulating wheel, third one is the work table. Right, you can check here, grinding wheel, controller, regulating wheel or work rest and work rest. These are the three perfect elements. You can check here this type of grinding machines. In our textbooks we saw this type of grinding figures are there. You can observe here. Right, grinding wheel, turning attachment will be provided for the profile, work rest is provided. Right, next one is the control wheel. In right side we are placed control wheel also provided. You can check here. Next, hand feed, in-feed hand wheel. Hand wheel means to adjustment of workpiece. Adjustment workpiece ki we can use control wheel or attachment to profiling. Which type of profile of workpiece is provided, how much amount of diameter, how much amount of rotations need, each and everything by giving the with help of feeding only. Right, that is the main thing. Right, you can observe figure, live figure, how we are using this type of figures. You can observe here. You can check here, first one you can check here, this type of grinding wheels is generally available to. One is the regulating wheel, second one is the grinding wheel. The workpiece is held in between the two centers, so for producing long slender bars for grinding operations. You can check here. Right. Next one is this is the centerless grinding machine. Right. You can observe here. Right. You can observe here grinding wheel and control wheel. Description of each and everything. Grinding wheel, it is a conventional type of straight type of grinding wheel. Right. Conventional means while utilizing in manufacturing process conventionally with help of human being applying of work pieces to revolving. Right. It is rotated in anti-clockwise direction at a speed of 25 to 30 meter per second. Next one is the control wheel. It rotates the same direction at slower speed than grinding wheel. It is titled through a small angle, maximum 7 degrees to provide the axial fluid. Control wheel also provided, it will rotate the same direction at slower speed than grinding wheel. Right, it will be rotated. So next one is a title through a small angle, maximum amount of 7 degree of angle. So while working process, whenever we need to change the direction of workpiece, otherwise to producing of taper type of arrangement, whatever may be, it's capable for to changing of its direction up to maximum 7 degrees angle. So whenever tilting capable of tilting up to 7 degrees maximum to provide the axial feed of workpieces. While feeding of axial feed, whenever we need to give. Next one is the work rest. Work rest, it keeps the workpiece at a suitable height for placing of workpiece. At the same time, work hold. It's the top face is leveled so that the work is always passed against the regulating wheel. Is the top of the face is leveled so that the work is always passed. So work always passed. Then regulating passed against the regulating wheel. So what are the advantages? So what are the advantages means you can check here. No axial thrust on axial thrust on work. Long parts are easily grinded. Grinded means while no need of a maximum of forces. Right? The process is relatively fast. While comparing, it is this operation, this machine is very fast. Work centers are not necessary. Short work pieces can be grinded. Short work pieces also we can grind easily. Does not require high skilled labor because of so no need of by applying the both type of grinding wheels while placing at constant place revolving continuously. It's a no need of skilled labor for giving the more amount to him. So there is a no need. Right. Next one, you can observe here disadvantage. What are the disadvantages? Work flat. Work is his flat keyways cannot be ground. So keyways, which type of arrangements are there? Which type of operations are there? They cannot done with help of work having the obstructions is not easily handled. Work having is not easily handled. So it is also some amount of difficult, and at the same time internal surfaces we cannot grind. At the same time, these are the main thing, right? You can check here what we are discussed right now. First one is the centerless grinding, right? Next, what are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? Again, I can upload some amount of video. You can watch clearly this type of operations we are doing on centerless grinding machine, and at the same time you can check here in center of a small piece in a centerless grinding workpiece is supported by the spindle of headstock, and next one control wheel and work wheel. Next one is the saddle. Next one is the tailstock. So here spindle of head also there. Next one control wheel and work wheel. Saddle is not there. Next one tailstock also not there. So you can observe here control and regulating wheel. Control wheel and workpiece. Control wheel means regulating wheels. Right. One more question is there. You can check here. Control wheel is tilted through maximum angle of given to give more grinding pressure, to rotate the workpiece faster, to prevent the work jumping, to provide the axial feed of workpiece. Right? Control wheel is tilted through a small angle to give to provide axial feed workpiece. Right? So to provide axial feed workpiece. Right? What are the same questions? Which type of questions we have raised means what are the advantages of centerless grinding? So as advantage means we can check here. There is a long length of bars can be easily grinded. At the same time, no thrust, no axial thrust will be needed. At the same time, very fast amount of very fast rate of production will be get with the help of centralized grinding. So these are the almost advantages. Explain the need sketch construction details of working of grinding wheel. Means it's a base is the common. Here you can check here base is the common, and at the same time grinding wheel is there, rotating regulating wheel is there, and next one work rest also there. Right, control wheels are there. Right, control panel also there. First one is the base. Base is the manufactured with help of grey cast iron. It has an high rigidity to withstanding of heavy amount of loads. And next one, regulating wheel is there. Controlling wheel is regulating wheel or controlling wheel is used for the to supporting the workpieces. Workpieces held in between the will be in between the center while in manufacturing process. So these are the one is the grinding wheel. Grinding wheel is almost rotated at a speed of 25 to 30 meter per second speed. At the same time, regulating will be will run less than the grinding wheel speed. Right. Next, work rest is provided in between the two wheels for providing how much amount of height, how much amount of height is needed to workpiece. Workpiece always will be kept in place of on the work rest. At the same time, it is also using for producing of long length of bars, external cylindrical grinding, long length of bars whenever we need to produce. That is the main thing. These are the almost construction details of centralized grinding. You can check each and every part and every name. At the same time, with a deep material, right? You can check each and everything. Okay. Thank you. I will post one video for same how which type of grinding machines are using. We need to check once. Okay. Thank you.
Regola la velocità, ok, non stop, no, adesso non stop. Poi da qua può fare più piano, velocità massima, possiamo partire.
Aspetta, fammi vedere il tubo prima. Ok.
Allora?
Vai.
Pongo il tubo per mettere.
Perfetto. Ok.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Suresh K, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic. In this class, we need to discuss about what are the work holding devices. Right. So, honor before in last previous class, what we discussed about the centralized grinding and what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages are there. And next one. Right now we already discussed about the work holding device, and next one we will discuss right now work holding device. On or before centralized grinding, the principle of centralized grinding is the only with help of grinding wheel and regulating wheel is provided, and next one and work rest also provided for the to working purpose. Then next one is coming to the what are the work holding device, what are the work next one construction details, base, regulating wheel. So these are the common materials, right? What the advantage to how much amount of size of workpieces is the second only for producing for the external cylindrical grinding machines only. Disadvantage is the only for producing it does not produce the cylindrical grinding processes. Right now we will discuss about the what are the work holding device. You can observe here what are the work holding device. What are the work holding device means the work holding device on grinding machine. So work holding, what is the importance of work holding device? First of all, while in working process, the holding of workpiece is the most important thing. Wherever holding of workpiece is most important thing, so that is the mandatory. So while what is the why we are considering important means while working process always some amount of each and every machine have to revolve some amount of speed, and at the same time to revolve continuously. At the same time some amount of vibrations will be arise. Whenever arising of vibrations in machines, so what will happen, the work may be disturbed, otherwise it may get some amount of errors, otherwise some amount of scratches or lines, whatever may be. The workpiece may be always it's after the proper utilization of work, the proper utilization of work holding not utilized whenever, so work may be get the disturbed, or maybe it's converting into the scrap area. So how we are scrap means, so each and every machine we are using the special purposes. At the same time each and every component producing with an amount of some little bit amount of sizes. At the same time whenever manufacturing, if there is a undersize of components, there is no use. If there is some amount of material oversize of component of there, if there, so what will happen, we will remove the some amount of material from the workpiece. If undersized components, what we do, just we need to again sending to the welding process, where these are the complicated process. While in manufacturing process we need to produce the how much amount of size need, we need to produce the more size of workpieces, more size of components we need to produce. Whenever more size of components produced, we will remove each and every time little bit amount of material with grinding operation or milling operation, whatever. These are the operations while using to remove it. But whenever we need to attach the other material, means it's a complicated in manufacturing process. Complicated means we need to add the other material, we can go with help of welding process, we can't get the perfect surface finishing. So these are the maximum number of factors are there for to addition of any materials. Right now we need to check the work holding is the most important. While in working process, why we are considering most important means while working process we need to produce the smooth surfaces. At the same time we can get the closure sizes. So these are the maximum important further. So that is the main thing. So we are here using some amount of workpiece holding devices. First one is the centers. Workpiece in centers means one is the live center, second one is the dead center. Live center will be placed at headstock, dead center will be placed at a tailstock. Both the centers are utilizing for the to holding the workpiece in between the two centers. At the same time, regulating wheel is provided opposite to the operator. It will be it has the transverse direction. Only the workpiece will be rotated to one axis within a small amount of speed, within a speed of within a speed. At the same time, to revolve. At the same time, grinding wheel is while contacting to the workpiece in transverse direction. So whenever we need to produce the smooth surfaces, then you can check here one more type of work holding device. Workpiece is held in between the two centers. You can check here long cylinders works are supported by work rest in addition by being held in machine centers. One more type of center also you can here we are using for holding long cylinder works also supported the work rest also using for the to support it. So methods of holding, what are the methods are there for holding the on surface grinding machine? So first one is by clamping the workpiece to the table and angle plate. So angle plate we know already about, it's a consisting of a 90 degrees angle, it's a consisting of number of slots will be provided, right? So these are the everything. Then next one is the one more tool is work holding device. Vice is a work holding device. It's a consisting of two jaws will be provided. One is a fixed, second one is a movable jaw will be provided. The workpiece is held in between the center. Next one is the magnetic check. Magnetic check also provided for to holding while in working process. These three types of work holding device are using only on while in working process only, not for in idle, not for in rest condition. While working process, the workpiece we need to hold in perfect way. Otherwise, it may be slip or maybe get the accidents or chances. Maximum we can get the accidents or some amount of chances to get the accidents. So that is the main thing. You can check here what are the clamps, bolts and on surface grinder. These are the clampings also are there, bolts are also there for to holding the workpiece on surface grinding machines. You can check here different sizes of shapes of components will be provided for the to supporting of workpiece one while in workpiece. So that is the main thing. You can hear voice also there. Next one check is also there. Right. Next one is you can check here voice. Right, mostly widely used for to holding of workpieces. Not only the grinding machine, we are using in many machines. Right, you can check here figure. Next to many machines means in fitting operations or drilling operations, steaming operation, threading, whatever. There are number of operations we are using the vices are used. Mostly common tool is for holding of workpieces vices, and it's a consisting. The vice is keyed to the table slot with the legs. Legs will be provided for keyed to the light and small works also held. You can observe here light and work pieces also, and it is a capable for swiveling capable. So round circular type of saws also provided for the capable of swiveling. While swiveling type of utilization in process, we are using the swiveling type of vices also using. Next one, magnetic check for holding of ferrous metals. Magnetic means magnetic action will be applied on only on ferrous material. What is ferrous? Ferrous means which percentage of how much amount of the iron percentage of material. Always we can call it as a ferrous metals. Holding of iron is always attracted to the magnetic check. So that is for holding of ferrous materials. They are made circular and rectangular forms. They are made for the rectangular and circular forms are also used. So types of magnetic while we are using two methods. One is the permanent magnetic, second one is the electromagnetic. In permanent magnetic, we can say two methods of magnetic processes are there. First one is the permanent magnetic. You can check here. Make use of permanent magnet. They eliminates the uses of cords and danger of electrical components. Permanent magnetic system also provided for the to avoiding the electrical components, shocks, etc. They are in small sizes. They can be switched. They are in the sizes of almost all small in sizes. Then next they can be switched on by turning of handle. Handle will be provided for the to on the magnetic condition to off the magnetic condition to the workpiece. While lever operating, So what will happen in magnetic action, magnetic flow will be rotated some workpieces. It's a provided one way, magnetic way, right? That is the main thing. Then whenever to releasing the lever, so what will happen, the magnetic action will be reduced. So that is the main thing. These are the permanent magnetic. Next you can check here, in off position the adjust of magnetic short outs, how much amount of size of transfer, length of transfer movement is provided. The magnetic flux do not flow workpiece. The magnetic flux not to flow, right? Permanent work of to do not flow the workpiece. So whenever workpiece, you can hear in on position the magnetic flux passes through the workpiece holding the check by magnetic state. In this case, in first one you can observing while in off position the magnetic flow will not transfer to the workpiece. In on condition the magnetic action will be flow with help of through machine only, through workpiece only or component whatever may be. So magnetic action will be provided. Magnetic action will be provided in only in on position. In off position it does not flow. There does not flow of magnetic action. So general in availability market, these type of magnetic checks are there, magnetic vices are there to holding or to placing of workpieces. You can check here, right? It's next one is the electromagnetic. So next one, use of electric current to create magnetic field, right? To creating there is no limit size or shape of which is check is can be construction. So it is a while electrical magnetic checks are using, there is no limit size or shape to which the check can be constructed, right? You can check here work holding device, internal cylindrical grindings also, right? Work check and steady flow. So in between you can observe one more check also provided, and next inside of check work rest, we can call it as a work rest, work holding device, steady rest, we can call it as a steady rest also provided for the to support the workpiece and maximum to support the entire workpiece. So steady rest are using for the to support the long length of bars, first one. So placing while in running process, right? These are the methods what are work holding device. Next one, you can observe here what you are discussed in this one. First one is the various work holding device, cylindrical grinding machines, surface grinding machines, and internal grinding work holding. So almost what we are discussed, each and every work holding device, what we are discussed, each and everything will be utilized in many number of ways, many machines. So these machines also you can use. First one is the cylindrical grinding is held in between the centers. The vices are to hold the small works only, right? Then next one, the magnetic is choose hold to ferrous metals only. Two types of magnetic checks are used. One is permanent magnetic and electromagnetic type of use. Then next, what are the classifications? You can check here classifications of machine. You can check here, and next one questions. So